Ang hindi namin inaasahan, meron palang twist. Simpleng araw lang. Una, bibili ng shampoo para sa aming aso na si Ollie. Then, maglilinis ng kwarto na ginulo ng dalawang chikiting. Ang hindi namin inaasahan, meron palang twist. Road trip! Pumunta nga pala kami ng Samal Island para bisitahin yung property ni Mama Ging sa Island Hills. And this is us on the barge going home. Pero pagdating mo sa bahay, paano pagtingin mo sa relo, gabi na pala? Tatakbo ka pa ba?
What a beautiful day. Stop, stop, stop. The warmth of morning slowly touch your face. The sunlight slips across your skin without asking anything of you. Listen to the quiet before the world begins to hurry. Breathe deep enough to smell fresh coffee, warmth and hope arriving with the day. When was the last time you truly felt alive? Not busy, alive. Stop, breathe, feel this moment. What a beautiful day to feel your heartbeat, to fill your lungs, to let your soul finally catch up with your body.
May mga araw na hindi talaga papabor sa yung oras. May mga araw na nauubos talaga yung oras at marami ka pang kailangan gawin. Pero kung importante sa iyo yung isang bagay, hindi mo na siguro hihintay maging convenient. Hahanapan mo lang ng paraan. Ngayon, hindi normal yung araw. Pero, natuloy yung takbo.